Hi friends, in this 6 minutes video you can get full idea about the GitHub, how to use GitHub. Watch up to end. This is our code, HTML and CSS code. Let's see the output of this code. This is our output. You already seen this in another video in my channel. Open your Chrome browser and search in search bar, type GitHub. Open first link. I already sign in and sign up. Now go to new, give a name. Here you give a name. I am giving anime. Just give what you want and give tick mark for public. Don't go to private and create. Now here add a file, create file or upload file. Now go to upload files and choose your file. When you click on choose your files, then file menu is open. Just drag the file and drop in this box and I'm dropping my files here. Let's see what I am dropping. I drop 3 files, CSS and HTML and one image. Create. After doing this, go to settings and this is general settings. Now in left side you will see the pages option. Go to there and in branch there is none. Give main save. We want to wait for few minutes for generating web link. By using GitHub you can share our project to anyone. After creating a link you can see any computer or any browser. Go and search your link. It will be come. Now let's see. Go to settings, go to pages. Now we get the link. Visit the site. It is working correctly. You can copy and paste anywhere you want. Now I don't need to share my web page. I need to share my code of the project. Then go to do this. Go to here and click on code. Copy that HTML link and where you want to. Now share the link what you copied now with anyone. It will be there will be see the code and can download the code. Now see how to delete the we already created thing. Go to general settings. In general settings we can see danger zone. Here the last one, delete option. Click on that. I have now give name. What you type, what is give the name. I am giving Anil Vasi flash anime. See, I am given small letter A. Now it is not available. I am giving capital letter A. Let's see. delete. It's asking a password. I am giving my password. Confirm. Anilvasi enemy is not appear here. It was deleted. You can see.